The rock fences along Paris Pike are one of the most identifiable features of the bluegrass region. Recently, increasing portions of the rock fences have deteriorated due to the freeze-thaw cycle of winter conditions and automobile impacts. Neil Rippingale, training program manager for the Dry Snow Conservancy, led a two-day workshop with Kentucky Transportation Cabinet officials last week, dispensing his stone masonry expertise and repairing a portion of damaged fence along the median of Paris Pike. Rippingale said educating younger generations about stone masonry and preserving the history of rock fences is crucial.
But I think it's very important to keep part of your history alive. If you lose that, then you've lost part of your history. So I think it's very important. And that's what we're all about here. We're passing on the knowledge, the skills. And these skills have been passed on for thousands of years as well. That's, I think, what's important. It's really nice to have that availability to do that.